always remember the year 1944. We served with the 381st Bomb Group. Spring was about to bloom, it was the third time in this war that we'd have liked to bring to an end in one fell swoop. On the 20th of March, we took a throne ritual. We were bound for Germany and were to bomb Mannheim. Weather was rough and grey, but the crew very able. Aircraft shook a tad, but thanks to God managed to climb. Hey, Jaynee B, you can fly like a bee, but you won't stay afloat like a boat. And you don't be when you land on the sea. If you don't wet your coat, you may glow. We succeeded in dropping bombs despite the peace, but we had to face fell ground far from the fierce foe's flag. It wasn't a picnic to stick together as a crew. We still had to fly over France to make our way back. One motor had been hit, so it soon gave up working. We gradually fell behind, fell to growing stress. George B was trying to keep flying without jerking. When two other motors stopped, we were in great distress. Hey, Jaynee B, you can fly like a bee, but you couldn't stay afloat like a boat. And you touch me when you land on the sea. If you don't wet your coat, you may glow. You may gloat. You